Gotta restart that. It's Mo! All right, look, so what I got today? I got a new desk, a new setup so I can show off whatever I'm doing a review for. It's more professional when I'm talking. You can see me clearly. I have lights. I got lights here. What do I want to do? Let's start off with decorating behind me. Idea is to put a picture here and a picture here, and then to have air pistol, rifle, and shotgun. Thick Crip from Compton. Let me unbox these pictures. This is a real unboxing. I'm gonna save this packaging in case I need to ship it back. What I have here. We got the MP7 and we got the Glock. So this camera lens is a manual focus, so I'm not able to, put it close. Then we'll do it like this. So anyways, Glock and MP7, I think this will look great on the wall. I'm gonna put one bottle right up there, put one like right here. As far as that, I got something pretty cool here. Which, right, looking like I put this in the wall here, put this in the wall here, and the rifle will sit on there. Let's get started. This is a stud finder. Use it. Put in the wall, find a stud. You know what it is? Hold on, last thing. Mo! Look at this. We're looking sweet. I got my lights. I got two lights right here. I got a big light right here and a big light right here. That's why it's so bright. Come on, man. I got it on the wall. I'm looking sweet, Mo. I'm looking sweet. MP7, Glock 17. Let's go, bro. I bought this desk on Facebook Marketplace for $20. I brought it home, sanded it, scuffed it, primed it, painted it, and I sealed it. Clear coat. I only put about 2 coats of it, but it looks a lot better than it looked when I first got it. It's getting scratched up again, but you cannot see those imperfections on the camera. All right, so this is my setup, bro. I got 2 big old lights right here. I would call these production lights. So I got a big old light right there, and then I got a big old light right there. I got my blue lights here for the aesthetic. And then I put these up. I got an MP7 here, Glock here, and then I got some rifles and a shotgun right here. I think depending on the video, I'll take these down. You can take this down just like this, so watch this. I think this looks really cool, bro. Growing up, I couldn't even imagine doing shit like this or having shit like this. This setup looks very cool, bro. I think it's really cool. Look at this. This is a 3D printed hand. This is a 3D printed hand. And I let him hold the Glick. But yeah, anyways, it's Mo. It's Mo!